You are looking at my 1972 Checker Marathon. I purchased new off the original owner in Oklahoma City. This is one of 277 Checker Marathons made in 1972. Had a base price of $3,752. Some of the options on this car are a Chevy 350, the chrome rock guard that you see there in front of the back wheel, air conditioning, power steering. It does have a two-tone paint job. If you look at the roof, it is a gray as opposed to the blue. This car has jump seats that the Checker became famous for. I'll show you those in a minute. It has a rear-mounted battery. It has the full wheel covers as opposed to the dog dish that you could have got with it. Most of the Marathons did come with those full wheel covers. I restored this in 1997. The paint is original from that time. It has held up nicely. I am preparing this car for a show in Hershey in 2 weeks. That is the AACA National Show. Right there, although it's not in full detail, that is a first prize from the Grand National in 2016 in Tennessee, either Shelbyville or Bristol. I don't recall which. That shows my senior winner and also my 2011 national first prize. So because of that, at Hershey, I will just be in a preservation category, and that means a little less stress on me. The car has done well for me. I drive it often. As I mentioned, there is a battery in the trunk. That factory option, many of them had it. New floor mat there, factory. I was able to get that reproduced. There are the jump seats that I mentioned to you. The one is closed. The nearest one is opened. Those are for passengers and children. Perhaps not legal by today's, perhaps not safe by today's standards, but certainly still legal. What I want to show you there are the Stewart Warner gauges, which are factory also, and the air conditioning and the wheel that may look like it's off a Chevy Nova type of car. Chrome has held up nicely also, as has most of the other car. I have had to replace the exhaust since I restored it. I put a new one on last year. This car has been in storage for several years now, so glad to have it back out. I look forward to driving it up to Hershey. Hopefully we have nice weather. As I mentioned, it's a optional V8 Chevy 350. The standard engine in this would be a straight 6-cylinder. This year it would have been a 250. This V8 has 245 horse. It is rebuilt many years ago, holding up nice. Still the virgin bore on it. And there you see the air conditioning and the other accessories, such as the power steering and power brakes. Cowl tag, sorry I could not show you more detail on that. And with that, I hope you enjoyed my 1972 Checker Marathon.